Masti cage. Hi friends, join us in our new episode where we went to Spirit Mountain. Spirit Mountain is a hometown Minnesota ski area, but it is more than just a ski area. During summer, you can go mountain biking, get a chairlift ride to enjoy the scenery, or have fun at Timber Twister.
No phones out. Don't lose anything. If you lose anything, we cannot go look for it until after we're closed. And it's the woods.
We mainly went there for Timber Twister. When Isaac saw Timber Twister, he got really nervous.
I don't want to go on that one.
Okay.
Mom, you can just go first and then when you...
Isaac, come.
Mom took Isaac first. The staff made us buckle our seatbelts and check the brakes. We also had to read the instructions. And gave thumbs up before we were allowed to go. Here goes Mom and Isaac. Once the Timber Twister started rolling, Isaac forgot that he was scared. He was having too much fun. Yay!
Isaac, look up. Look up. Having fun? Whee!
After Isaac's ride ended, it was my turn with Mom.
I'll put you right here. So get it.
I quickly settled and gave thumbs up. I wanted to go faster, so Mom didn't apply brakes at all as we rolled down the hill. Here we go. And we got on a track that pulled us back up. This place was so green and so fantastic. I wanted to do it over and over again, but Mom reminded that we have other adventures lined up as well for the day. As we left the Timber Twister, we spotted this jumping pillow. We went on it.
Where are you going, guys?
We're going to the chairlift.
Chairlift. Isaac, are you excited?
Yeah! Did you see that? Mountain bikers bring their bikes up the hill through this chairlift. That is so cool. Cool!
Let's walk. Huh?
Now they'll ride back down.
Hey! After this.
Then it was our turn to hop on.
So fun.
Yes?
I was supposed to play
Isaac, Ishmael, look here.
the laser game after this.
What laser game? See, get
But hold on!
Hold on.
Slide is coming! But hold on, the slide is coming!
Yay! You're being brave. Isaac, hang on, beta. You hang on.
Mom, is this chill out season now?
Chill out season. Isaac, don't fall back, okay?
Chill out season.
Chill out season. See, mountain bikers are coming up in the skydiving. Wave at the cyclist, okay? Wave at the people! Yay! Yay! See? Yay! Yay! Fun? Is it fun? I think wave.
My name is Arya.
Walk straight, okay? Don't cross the red line, okay?
At the bottom there was a chalet and mountain bike rental place and a lot of other things to play with.
So we're down at the chairlift, huh?
We're looking for food.
You're looking for food? Look at these tired people looking for food. Oh no. Ishmael has no energy left. Isaac has no energy left.
We were so tired and so hungry. It was lunchtime. I hope you enjoyed our episode and don't forget to like and subscribe to our video. Goodbye!